In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get a Home Chef promo codes. So let's get started. So Home Chef is a Chicago-based company which sells home-cooked food and meals. So now you might be wondering, whenever you order online from this website, can you get a discount? Well, yes, you can always get a discount. So for a discount, you need to go into your web browser and search up Home Chef promo code. So once you have done that, you'll have to go to this website, Los Angeles Times. So as it says on Home Chef promo code August 2023, so that is the logo. And as you guys can see, this was last updated on August 11th, and today is August 12th. So yeah, it's recent. Alright, so Home Chef saves 75% on your first box and 60% on box 2 and 3. But if you want to avail this offer, you can just click on view coupon, and that's the coupon to get this discount, AFF75. So you can just copy and continue to the website and you're gonna get this discount. Similarly, you can go and check more. So for example, take 60% off first 3 boxes. So you can just click view coupon, you'll get the coupon code. So save $115, so you can just click view coupon, and that's gonna be the coupon for this. So now I'm gonna go to some other websites and show you a few more promo codes. So you can scroll down and let's go to this website, Wired. I'm gonna go there. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down and see a good offer. Save $10 on 6 boxes with Home Chef promo code. So let's say you're buying 6 boxes, you can save $10 on each box. So that's a big discount. It's basically $60 saved. So you can just click on it, and the code's gonna pop up right there, 60AFF. Yeah, so that's how promo codes work for Home Chef. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.